Welcome back to Skip to My Life. If you struggle with bathroom clutter, you're going to love today's video because these are the 5 hacks you need using secret finds from Dollar Tree. Well, tell me if my bathroom looks anything like yours. Yes, even though I organize small spaces for a living, this was my bathroom undersink. I find that clutter attracts clutter, and that is definitely what had happened in this space. I had started out with it clean and organized, but over time and daily use, the systems I had in place just were no longer working. So let's get this area clutter-free and learn simple systems that are going to streamline your morning routine. We'll start by tackling my makeup. Now, I only wear makeup very infrequently, but when I do, it's just not an efficient system for me, and it ends up all over my counter. We're going to start by grabbing a plastic suction cup sponge holder from the Dollar Tree. Instead of using it to hold sponges, we're going to turn it upside down and use it to hold my new cosmetic bag. Thanks to today's sponsor, EverFun. EverFun is offering you a 20% discount on my favorite cosmetic bag, and I'm going to show you how I use it every day to streamline my morning routine. I'll show you several different ways to use this bag depending on how your bathroom is laid out. But for this first look, I am actually hanging it on the sponge holder like I would hang a shirt. This Dollar Tree sponge holder actually has little drainage holes that fit this hook exactly. I've used many cosmetic bags in the past, but none of them were roomy enough for everyday use. This bag was even big enough to hold a mirror and a full-size hairbrush. Now, I have to apologize at my sad little hairbrush, but it is my favorite and I can't stand to replace it yet. I know that these links and coupon codes can be hard to find, so you're going to want to follow the title of this episode and then look for the word more and click on that. As you're going to see, this bag allows me to tuck away all my daily essentials in one simple place and store it under my sink. The bottom portion of this bag is large enough to hold full-size items, but I think that my very favorite part of this is the little plastic bag at the bottom, which holds a toothbrush and toothpaste perfectly. If your bag is lighter, you can definitely use the sponge holder the way I first featured. If it gets heavier, you're going to want to turn it right side up or hang the bag on a hook. If you're new to my channel, a great big welcome. Comment below and let me know how we found each other. This bag has a classic quilted look that wipes clean easily. And not only do you have the inside storage, but you have a very generous outside pocket. If you're looking for a great cosmetic bag for travel coming up, I wanted to show you that this one will fit easily, whether you have a carry-on that's a backpack style or a classic over-the-shoulder carry-on. But wait, there's more. If you want to use this little sponge holder to hold your everyday face cloth and hair tie, it works perfectly for that as well. Now that I've organized some of my common items, I am ready to tackle that under sink area. I knew that I needed to start by taking absolutely everything out, and as it turns out, the paper that I had placed underneath needed new life. Now, you can purchase shelf paper at Dollar Tree, but I am loving using their sticky wallpaper for the same purpose. Here is my trusty sidekick, Bella, my long-haired dachshund, who just had to explore what I was doing. Whenever I do projects like this where I am down on Bella's level, she sticks her nose in everything, so you will see her pop in throughout this whole episode. If you're a longtime subscriber to Skip to My Life, you know that one of the first things I advocate in under sink areas is getting some light. This Dollar Tree tap light is one of my favorites, and I'm going to show you why. This tap light works with 3 AAA batteries that are very easy to install. There's no getting out a tiny little screwdriver to put them in. But what I love most about this is that it has its own Velcro fastener. If you're a fan of Bargain Bethany's channel, you have seen the same type of idea, but I am using it with different Dollar Tree bins. We are going to turn the side-by-side organizing bins into a stacking tower using a clear serving tray from Dollar Tree. If you prefer an opaque look, you can use a bin that's found in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $3, but I am just taking these clear bins, they were $1.25 each, and putting this clear tray in between to help them stack on top of each other. Next, I'm taking the smaller bins that I found at Dollar General store to compartmentalize those bigger bins. If you're getting some great ideas today, don't forget to click that like button and let me know about it. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. It puts you first in line to get every new episode. I have searched high and low for a more efficient cleaning caddy than the $1.25 caddy from Dollar Tree, and I have not found one. This little caddy packs a big punch when it comes to cleaning small spaces. All this organization left me with plenty of space for my water pick and some other things that I use on a daily basis. Now I can easily see and get to every single item under my sink. Next, we're going to use that bottom bin to store extras and refills for all my cosmetics and tools. My bathroom under sink before was a cluttered mess that I hated to open and use. Now I am excited to use a streamline morning and evening routine space that is going to keep my counter spaces free of clutter. Who knows, now that I can see my cleaning items so well, I may even be more inspired to keep this bathroom area sparkling clean. I told you I had 5 secret Dollar Tree hacks, but I also have 2 bonus items for you. And the first one is how to store all your makeup brushes. If you want to keep those cluttered makeup brushes off your counters, simply adhere an acrylic organizer to the inside of your cabinet. You can even use this device to hold your toothbrush, toothpaste, and other items you really don't want to see on a daily basis. If you have vitamins or pills that you need to take every day, here's a great hack to keep them out of sight. I chose to remove the days of the week with acetone nail polish remover, but you certainly can skip that step. Next, you'll just want to adhere them with Velcro fasteners to the inside of your cabinet. Make sure to attach these boxes so that the flaps open down and not up, and this way your pills will not fall out. Well, I hope you've gotten some great ideas to streamline your morning routine and clear the clutter from your bathroom by using some of these secret Dollar Tree hacks. And whatever you do, do not forget that today is not the end of your story, my friend. Keep putting one foot in front of the other.